I'm Director Furry. I've tasked our agents with a very special and meaningful mission to help a group of very talented children unleash their inner superheroes. These agents have come from far and wide and will have to overcome challenges and obstacles to fulfill this mission. Failure is not an option. Remember, I got my eyes on you.
Our INSEAD agents arrived fully prepared at the Towner Gardens School, bright and early with enthusiasm and purpose. After a quick debriefing and safety demo from the Splash team, and a rabble-rousing pep talk from our dear leader Pat, the mission began.
Okay, good.
But it wasn't gonna be that easy. Within the first 5 minutes, the INSEAD agents were knocked sideways by their first opponent, the rain. Not having rained for 6 weeks, it was as if Singapore was just waiting for this moment. As the agents continued on their mission, we wanted to find out which superhero inspires them individually.
My favorite superhero is Iron Man. He's certainly kind of the leader of the Avengers group, and I think it's super valuable to envision myself as Iron Man in this situation.
Wonder Woman because she's incredibly badass, she's fearless, she's powerful.
Batman because he protects the city by night.
The Incredible Hulk because not all heroes wear capes.
Spider-Man because he's very nimble and makes do with a limited set of constraints to be able to get stuff done.
Iron Man because he didn't have any superpowers before and he's pretty funny.
Captain America, he's righteous and I sort of relate to him. You know, he's looking for the overall good of everyone around.
The objective is clear, the motive is just. But how are the agents progressing as future leaders?
My individual goal has been to stop focusing on standing in the sidelines.
To stop and wait 2 minutes because I'm a pragmatist.
To be the first one to speak out and give an idea.
Gather data and information before acting.
Step back in the beginning, plan a bit.
Take a step back when we start getting into a project and not to rush into action straight away.
We took time during the afternoon to speak with Principal Matthew Alf about the impact that this project will have on the students.
For this particular project, I think the focus is really about building the community, about having spaces for children to come together, to eat, to play, and to interact with one another. And I think that's the beauty of this particular project for this particular round.
Halfway through the afternoon, we took a pit stop to figure out how much further we needed to do to finish the project on time.
Yeah, I think the most enjoyable thing today is thinking on your feet and making sure that things go in the right way, hopefully. Of course, getting everyone's cooperation has been great. Everyone's super happy and pumped up for this.
Give yourselves a big round of applause.
Okay, good.
With an hour left to go, the team picked up the pace to finish everything on time.
Hi guys, we're here with Mikhail today.
And Jenny.
And this is INSEAD's Got Talent.
We have 70 top talents from 30 different countries.
And we're actually here for a good purpose. We are building a playground, but we need all those guys to prove some very good technical, creative and woodwork skills.
Contestants have arrived, they had a safety briefing, toolbox stock, and they are ready to hit the ground running.
So, are you ready to meet our judges?
Our first judge is the Brazilian sniper. He spent last year out of action, having accidentally shot himself through the ear with a spud gun. Dara Diva. She shot to fame last year in the Wisconsin Britney Spears lookalike competition, where she came 7th. Our next judge is Django, an Italian cowboy who's lost his horse. Our last judge is J Judge. Judge J has not only passed the bar, she's also spent time behind bars. You'll be hoping she doesn't come down on you hard. To make sure all our contestants are in shape, we put them through their paces. But now, time for some action. Let the competition begin. First up, the juggler.
Okay, that was impressive. I need a bazooka this time. That's 10.
Next up, we have pencil balancer.
It's all about balance in life, man, but I really love the tent. That was a 7.
Next up, we have INSEAD's best screw.
There you have the fastest screwer in the INSEAD. 9.
Next up, he's got wood.
Yeah! Yeah!
I'll give you a score of 7.
Next up, flip-flop boy.
This was good, Nitin. This was good. I'll give you 6.
Next up, the Jenga master.
I am the master of balance.
That was pathetic. 3.
Next up, we have just another German consultant.
So my specialist skill is my incredible strength.
To be fabulous, you have to believe in yourself. And this, my friends, is fabulous.
The next up is the leader of the free world.
Hi, my name is Cesar, and I'm going to be doing an impersonation of a famous person. So here I go. I'd like to welcome you all to the new Trump International Hotel in Singapore. As you can see, I'm a builder. I build things all the time. It's the most fantastic construction. You can see the wood, you can see the cement. We're gonna make it of gold. Of gold, folks. It's gonna be the most fantastic building in the universe. There's rain right now. Don't worry, we're gonna nuke it because climate change is not real. Believe me, we're gonna stop it. We're gonna use all the force of the United States, and it's gonna be fantastic, fantastic.
Perfect. So I'll give you a score of 8.5.
Yes!
Last up, we have the basketball team. On the team's central task, everyone has pulled together and made great progress on the playground.
I've been playing the role of cutting the wood using the chainsaw, which has been a lot of fun. A lot of people, different nationalities coming by, lots of German consultants. I think the day's gone really well. It looks like the teams are working well together. Everyone's sweating a little bit. The German consultants are using their hands, which is always good.
So it's now time to find out who's the winner of the first place. And it's the basketball team. Oh God, no. So even though he didn't got the most points, it seems that our winner is the leader of the free world.
Thank you so much. The vote, thank you. I've had better. The vote was rigged. They brought people from Fontainebleau to vote. It was terrible. I won the electoral vote. We're going to make INSEAD great again. Thank you.
That's all for today. Please stay tuned for the next episode of INSEAD Got Talent coming up tomorrow.
It's day 3 of INSEAD Splash Project, and today's theme is Throwback Thursday.
So our team is responsible for wrapping up this project, and there is a lot of work to be done.
We just ran a quick status check, and here's how things are going.
I'm leading the team along with fellow teammates here. It's going well. I don't see anybody not doing anything, so that's a good sign. Everyone's putting in their work and doing their part, so I think we're on good pace.
Although we all have busy lives, as the saying goes, if you carry childhood with you, you'll never grow old.
So how good are we at being kids? In true INSEAD spirit, we have a few competitions to test out our kitty skills! First up, we've got the hula hoop challenge.
We have Olivia versus Karen.
Karen wins.
Pretty versus solve.
Critty wins.
Finally, let's see our two maestros, Laura and Alejandro, facing off.
Both were rubbish.
Challenge number 2. Keepy uppy. Let's start out with Katie and Min.
Min wins. Just.
Next up, Karen and Jan.
Jan wins.
Finally, we got Alexei and Jana.
It's a draw.
Challenge number 3, skipping. It's Maria versus Nani.
Maria wins.
I think it's going extraordinarily well. I'm seeing students work well together. They're picking up the communication, they're sharing ideas, and I've actually seen a lot of students helping one another.
No, I feel like it's going well. I feel like you guys will complete the task. If we all work together, we collaborate, we communicate well, then we can achieve something for the community at large.
Today was great. We had some problems in the beginning, but we adapted and ended up with a finished product. So we're tired, but we're very proud of our team's efforts.
We asked the group how they would sum up their experience in one word.
We had a very good time.
Challenging? I think it's the word. We did it.
It was hot.
I loved it, but I'm extremely exhausted.
Incredible.
Demanding, yeah, but really fun. Exciting.
Exhausting.
But it was amazing. We finally delivered something and we're happy about it.
So we've been working very hard over the last 3 days to build you this amazing new playground. I hope you guys enjoy it. And on behalf of INSEAD and Min there, we really thank you guys for giving us this opportunity to give you guys everything you want.
And I'd really like to thank all of you for making a difference for the children. What you take 3 days to build will be enjoyed by us for 3 months, 3 years, and many more years to come. So thank you very much for all the hard work. Thank you.
The Minds community has been really special to INSEAD. And today is the conclusion of a year-long partnership with 3 INSEAD intakes working to build this playground bit by bit. It's been a challenge, but we hope that we've helped give the children of Towner Garden School lasting memories of a beautiful childhood.